Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: a Microsoft account, organization name, and target region. This matters for latency and billing. Once ready, sign in with your Microsoft identity so permissions link correctly, and choose a clear organization name. Next, create the Azure DevOps organization, use your chosen region, and verify via email. Make sure to attach a credit card if you plan paid services, and enable two-step verification for security. This prevents lockouts later. Once the organization exists, you'll create a project, select Git or TFVC, and pick private or public visibility based on needs. After project creation, configure teams, set area paths and iterations so boards reflect your process. This helps tracking. Then add repositories. Import existing code or initialize an empty repo, and grant repo permissions to team members. Make sure to add at least one service connection for deployments and create an initial pipeline template. That prepares CI quickly. Now you'll finalize by creating CI pipelines and optional CD releases. Start with a simple YAML pipeline that runs tests and builds artifacts. Once it passes, extend with multi-stage deployment or a classic release pipeline. Configure service connections for Azure, Kubernetes, or other targets, and secure secrets in Library or Azure Key Vault. If you use packages, enable Azure artifacts and set retention and upstream sources. Troubleshooting tip: if a pipeline fails, check agent capability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.